Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make the fishing weight at home with those wheel balancing lid which I collect from the tire shop for free with those three clay mold, different kind. This one is round one, triangle big one, and the triangle long one. I'm using them mold for a long time, like 2 years. And I have the complete video on my channel, link above. You can check that out. Okay, let's start it.